We've all seen bad slides with bad pictures, pixelated images, smiling stock models pointing at invisible charts, slides so busy you don't know where to look. Today we're fixing that. I'll show you how professional designers actually use images in presentations, not as decoration, but for persuasion. These are the same principles used in keynote talks, investor decks, and award-winning conference presentations. So let's get into it, and here are 7 rules you should stick to create great presentations with impactful images. Rule number 1. Big, sharp, and visually consistent images. Let's start with the non-negotiables. If your image is not high resolution, don't use it. Period. Practical rule. Never upscale low-quality images inside PowerPoint or Keynote. It destroys sharpness. Design principle. Bold minimalism. 1 strong image per slide beats 5 weak ones every time. Instead of image plus icons plus background texture plus gradients, do this. 1 edge-to-edge image, 1 clear headline, and nothing else competing for attention. Your audience subconsciously tracks visual patterns. When styles jump around, cognitive load increases. Choose 1 style and commit to it. It can be all black and white, or all dark cinematic, or all bright natural light, or all illustrated, or all photographic, but never mix casually. Designer tip: create a visual rule before you build slides. Write it down. For example, this deck uses dark cinematic photography with low saturation and strong contrast. If an image doesn't fit the rule, it doesn't make the cut. Rule number 2. Kill the cliché. Design for credibility. Let's talk about the fastest way to lose trust. Cliché stock photos, handshake shots, people with over-the-top gestures, fake smiles of fake managers. This creates what designers call the authenticity gap. The moment your audience realizes the visuals are lying. Replace literal with conceptual. Don't illustrate words, illustrate ideas. Instead of literal symbols like ladder for growth, target for goals, puzzle pieces for teamwork, use subtle observational metaphors that feel intelligent and modern. Better examples? Tree roots breaking through concrete to suggest growth under pressure. An empty stadium lit before a night game to imply strategy and preparation. A building mid-renovation where old structures meet new materials and show transformation. These visuals feel real and far less cliché, while still communicating the idea instantly. Practical sourcing tip. Look for editorial-style photography, not commercial stock. Search terms that work: documentary photography, editorial portrait, candid workplace, conceptual still life. If the image looks like it was observed, not staged, it's usually a win. Rule number 3, and this is where most presentations fail visually. Text needs space to breathe. Professional designers intentionally choose images with copy space, areas that are empty, flat, blurred, or low contrast. Stick to 50% rule. Aim for at least half of the slides to be visually calm. This gives you a more premium look. Use the rule of thirds. Imagine your slide divided into 3x3 grid. Place the subject on one outer intersection. Leave the opposite side open for text. Align text deliberately. not floating. Practical layout tip: if text is hard to read, add a subtle gradient overlay, black at 20-40% opacity, or slightly blur the background behind text. Rule number 4. Isolate the subject. Your audience should understand a slide in 3 seconds or less. If they don't know where to look, you've lost them. The fix: visual focus. Choose images with shallow depth of field, clean backgrounds, one clear subject. This works because the human eye is drawn to sharpness, contrast, faces, light areas in dark frames. Practical test: take a look at your slide. If everything still feels busy, the image is too complex. Designer shortcut: when in doubt, choose sky, wall, fog, water, empty landscape. These are natural allies of clean typography. Rule number 5. Look for character, not perfection. World-class visuals feel intentional, not polished. Character comes from unusual angles, imperfect textures, strong shadows, unexpected framing. This is how you elevate everyday visuals into something memorable. Try this. Shoot or select images from above or directly overhead. Crop aggressively. Cut things off on purpose. Embrace grain, contrast, or texture. A slightly imperfect image often feels more human and more premium than a flawless stock photo. Rule number 6. Strategic signaling and contrast. When a slide contains complexity, never make the audience search. This is where signaling comes in. Use visual cues to guide attention. Color contrast, subtle highlights, isolation, directional lighting. Examples: one colored element in an otherwise desaturated image. A single bright subject in a dark frame. A spotlight effect that draws the eye. Best practices: dark background plus light text or vice versa. Avoid placing text over high detail areas. Test slides on a projector, not just your laptop. If it's hard to read from the back of the room, it's not done. Rule number 7. Use AI images the smart way. AI doesn't replace designers, it replaces generic stock. Used correctly, AI allows you to create bespoke images that precisely match your message, emotional tone, and brand identity. To get professional-grade output, don't type random descriptions. Designers structure prompts deliberately. Think of every strong prompt as having 4 layers. Layer number 1. Emotional tone. Decide how the image should feel: calm, dramatic, optimistic, tense, futuristic. Layer number 2. Lighting and atmosphere. Lighting defines quality. Specify cinematic, soft daylight, moody shadows, or high contrast studio lighting. Layer number 3. Color palette. Log the image to your brand or presentation theme. Muted neutrals, dark mode, warm tones, or controlled accent colors. And layer number 4. Composition and use case. Always mention negative space, depth of field, and that the image is designed for presentation slides. And this is the structure of prompt that really works. Examples: prompt number 1. Cinematic editorial photograph of a chessboard mid-game shot with a 50mm lens at f/1.8 shallow depth of field, dramatic side lighting with strong shadow contrast, dark neutral color palette, minimalist composition, subject placed on the left third with negative space on the right for text, professional keynote presentation background, ultra high resolution, premium documentary style. Prompt number 2. Conceptual visual metaphor of an iceberg in calm ocean water at sunrise. Majority of the iceberg hidden below the surface. Soft atmospheric lighting, muted blues and cool grays, minimalistic composition with large negative space for presentation text, cinematic realism, premium documentary photography style designed for executive slides. Prompt number 3. Futuristic laboratory interior with clean architectural lines and advanced technology, subtle brand-colored accent lighting, cinematic realism, ultra-wide composition with strong perspective depth, shallow depth of field, controlled contrast, large negative space for slide headlines, designed specifically for high-end presentation slides. So this is it. 7 rules for best pictures in presentations. Rule number 1. Big, sharp and visually consistent images. Kill the cliché. Design for credibility. Master copy space. Isolate the subject. Look for character, not perfection. Strategic signaling and contrast. And use AI images the smart way. Remember, images are not decoration. They are tools for attention, clarity, and persuasion. If your slide doesn't focus the eye, reinforce the message, feel intentional, it doesn't belong in the deck. If this helped, subscribe for more deep dives into elite-level presentation design, and see you in the next one.